Hey, ma'am, how you doing?
What's going on?
Roll the window now. Hey, do you have your driver's license, registration? Are you the RO of this vehicle?
Yes, I am.
Can you state your name? Are you Alexandra?
What's going on?
So it seems that you got a warrant out of Citrus County.
You're not allowed to stop me.
I am, because you matched the description of a wanted fugitive. Okay.
Okay, well, I'm
So
not wanted.
yeah, so they just confirmed she's wanted out of Citrus County, in-state pickup out of Florida.
Now, don't you drive off.
No,
Don't
I'm
you do
driving.
it. Don't you do it.
St. John, she's taking off. She just got on the 95 northbound from 16. FHP's taking over lead, inside lane, northbound, 90 miles an hour.
I-2, pit.
Hit complete.